I'm Jason Hollifield, Storm Director for Duke Energy, and this is another storm restoration update. Conditions remain challenging as we continue the important work of restoring power to communities devastated by Helene. Many of our remaining outages require rebuilding damaged or destroyed equipment, but we are rising to the challenge and exploring innovative ways we can reach and repair service for you. We have 20,000 crew members working hard in communities in the Carolinas, particularly in the upstate South Carolina and the mountains and foothills of North Carolina, and we are making progress. We established more than 20 base camp locations to house and feed our crews in addition to our normal field locations to position workers closer to where we are rebuilding and repairing damaged infrastructure. We've restored more than 1.7 million customers following the storm. As we work in difficult terrain or hard to access areas, we are using special equipment to get us where we need to be to complete this work and make necessary repairs. We know you're counting on us, and we're committed to doing everything we can to restore power as safely and quickly as possible. Thank you for all the community support we've seen as we rebuild. For more updates, visit DukeEnergyUpdates.com.